Come with me to inspect every hotel in Las Vegas for bedbugs, cleanliness, and value with a black light. This is Venetian. Here is what I paid for the room. Here is the expectation of the room. I paid for an upgrade to prestige level, which includes free drinks, free breakfast, and free hors d'oeuvres. I'll talk about that in a minute. Here is the reality of the room. I feel like it looks pretty close to the pictures. Starting with check-in, they didn't have a mobile option and it was slow. It took about 30 minutes at 10 p.m. The elevator, lobby, and hallways were nice, spacious, clean, and they smelled good. It was a bit like navigating a labyrinth, but at least it was well lit. Let's start with the bathroom. It was big and felt like a luxury bathroom. Here are the complimentary bath products they provide. The water pressure was not impressive. It could have been a little bit better both here and in the bathtub. And they include the oddest amenity box I've ever seen. Inside was a makeup sponge, a nail file, and a sewing kit. The makeup mirror and ring light was a nice touch. Under a black light, every part of this bathroom was clean. There were no splooshes, splashes, or human enthusiasm anywhere that I could see. Moving to the living room, every hotel room at the Venetian is a suite, which means there's a sunken sitting area. These rooms have a really nice feel, even when you're alone in the dark. They feel safe and comfortable. Furniture like this is impossible to keep clean, but under a black light, all of this was clean and in good repair. This isn't a new hotel, and you can see where they've taken the time to touch up paint and keep things looking fresh. The bed was on the softer side, but it had a liner and it was free from stains. It definitely wasn't a new mattress, but it was a clean one. I'll share the details on the prestige level in the comments. Make sure to follow me for all the Vegas.